How to tame Mosshorns in Hytale. So finally, in the new pre-release update, you can tame animals in Hytale. Now I'm going to show you how to tame Mosshorns. So all you need to do is to press F to tame. Make sure your creative mode is turned off. All you need to do is to press F and click that animal, and it will show you the favorite food of that animal. So these Mosshorns loves potatoes. So here I got my potato, and make sure you are holding it and press again F on that animal. And now the animal is tamed and it will follow me if I hold that potato, and it's friendly, it's no longer scared of me, and I can pet him as you can see. So I'm gonna also pet this one or tame them, and now they are mine, and it will follow me, or they will follow me if I hold the potato, but they are pretty slow. This is the new pre-release update, it's very new. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.